In today's video, we'll be talking about how we can remove the background on PDFs so you can print them out easier and use less ink. Let's get into it. Okay, first let's talk about the problem itself. Now, as you can see on my screen, this is just a random example of a PDF with a background. And let's say, for example, I just really wanted to print this out and just not use too much ink. But what happens is if I go and try to print here, you'll see even if I switch it to black and white, you'll see that gray background. And that's kind of the problem, right? It's just going to burn through ink. And so, the problem becomes, how do we remove that background? And so it turns out it's, a pretty common issue, but no one really has a solution. So I'm going to walk you through how I figured it out, and it's a free solution. So first thing we're going to want to do is grab the link in the description. It'll take you to a website called canva.com. And this is a really awesome tool if you guys haven't really used it or don't have it in your arsenal. I highly recommend you check it out. What we're going to do is we're just going to create a quick account here, and I'll walk through that process now. Alright, once you're inside, all you have to do is drag your PDF into Canva and let it import. Once it's done uploading, just go ahead and click on it. And the beautiful thing about Canva is it seems to add layers, and so it allows you to customize more easily. So as you can see here, there's this background, and all I have to do is just select it and then press the delete button. Select it, press the delete button, again select it, hit the delete button for every single page. And what you'll see here now is the background is removed, and so what I can do is I can now try to save it. So I go over here, I can hit download, and I can save it as a PDF. And once it's finished, what I can do is I can print it and there will be no background. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to remove the background of a PDF, here's a free way to do it. And while you're at it, take a look at Canva, see if the Pro plan is right for you. I know I personally use it. It's a great tool, so go ahead and check it out. But thanks, guys. Have a great day.